안녕하세요. 반갑습니다. Okay, so welcome back to Easy Korean PH. We have here another lesson. So in this video, I'll be discussing those interrogative pronouns that are basic or always ginagamit in our daily lives. And then later, we'll be using these pronouns in a statement, no? Kung paano siya gamitin into a question. Okay, so anyway, before we start, I would like to take this opportunity to give thanks to our subscribers. So thank you very much. We are now 850 plus subscribers in just 2 weeks. If ever you haven't subscribed naman, okay, click that subscribe button for more of this video. Okay, let's start. So basically, when we say interrogative pronouns, those are the basic questions. So what are those pronouns? First, you have when, what, how much, where, then who. So later, we'll be using these pronouns in a statement. Okay, first, let's start with when. When in Korean, that is onje. Onje. As you can see, I have here the ending statement, yeyo. So basically, kapag ginamit mo siya, onje, so we should attach this ending statement to make it a polite statement. So you have onje, yeyo. Onje, yeyo. Okay, now let's use this interrogative in a statement, no? For example, you will be saying, when is your birthday? When is your birthday? So in this structure, our subject here is birthday. So based on my previous video, as I said, Korean sentence structure, subject always located at the first part of the sentence. So in this case, birthday is our subject, so it should be placed at the first part. So anyway, birthday in Hangul, in Korean, that is 생일. 생일. Okay, so first we need to mention the birthday, which is our subject. 생일. 언제 예요? 생일 언제예요? 생일 언제예요? When is your birthday? Okay, second we have where. In Korean, that is 어디. 어디. The same thing, we will be using this ending statement. 어디예요? 어디예요? Okay, let's try with the market. For example, now we'll be saying, where is the market? So as usual, market should be placed at the first part of the sentence. So market in Korean, that is 시장. 시장 어디예요? 시장 어디예요? 시장 어디예요? Where is the market? Okay, next we have this one, how much. In Korean, that is 얼마. 얼마. 얼마예요? 얼마예요? Here, for example, we'll be saying, how much is the apple? Okay, so first we need to mention the apple. Apple in Korean, that is sagwa. sagwa. Okay, sagwa. 얼마예요? sagwa. 얼마예요? sagwa 얼마예요? How much is the apple? Okay, next we have who. For in Korean, that is 누구. 누구. 누구예요? 누구예요? Okay, for example, no, where is your friend? Who is your friend? So we have a friend. For in Korean, this 친구. 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 누구예요? 친구. 누구예요? 친구 누구예요? Who is your friend? Okay, so lastly, we have here what? For in Korean, that is 뭐. 뭐예요? 뭐예요? Okay, what is this? Okay, this in Korean, that is ego. ego. 뭐예요? ego. 뭐예요? ego 뭐예요? What is this? Okay, so those are the basic interrogative pronouns in Korean, no? Always naman ginagamit sa kanilang daily lives. Okay, so anyway, once again, if you haven't subscribed yet, please click that subscribe button for more of this video. Okay, see you in my next video.